Whether you're traveling for business or fun, you could settle for a traditional travel adapter, but then you'd also need a USB power supply and the USB-C adapter to connect with the latest devices. Ditch the clutter and confusion. Introducing Passport Go with GaN from Zendor. Passport Go is the first all-in-one travel adapter with cutting-edge GaN technology, supplying up to 30 watts of power in one easy-to-pack device. USB-C power delivery means Passport Go is compatible with the latest devices. Passport Go can charge up to 5 devices at the same time. Spend less time managing your gadgets and more time out of the hotel room. Passport Go has an auto-resetting fuse, meaning there will be no nasty overnight surprises. With a typical travel adapter, if you blow the fuse, you'll have to go out and find a replacement. Passport Go recovers all on its own. If you need a quick recharge on the go, Passport Go has you covered. 30-watt USB-C power delivery charges your phone more quickly than other travel adapters, so you'll never miss a beat. Or an opportunity. Passport Go works in over 200 countries, so it's always ready for your next adventure. Where will you go? Get charged, get going. Passport Go with GaN from Zendor.